Tricky, this particular question. What they've given you, we know that the 10 ohm resistor has a power of 41 watts. So if that's 41 watts, what I want to find is I want to find the volts. And if you recall, the equation that relates power and voltage is P equals V squared over R. And of course, you know the resistance is 10. You know the power looks like 41. So the question is, how much power is the 5 ohm resistor and the 20 ohm resistor? So you're going to solve for the voltage. And actually, you're going to want to answer question B first. Because as you recall, once you find the voltage through a parallel circuit, look at the parallel circuit here, will be the same. So the V that you find here will be the same V that you get, same V that you get here. And so once you know the voltage, again, you'll use P equals V squared over R. Can't write here. So whatever you get for V here from the 10 ohm resistor will be the V for the 20 ohm resistor, and that will give you the power in the branch for the 20 ohm resistor. So once you know that, though, what you want to do is you want to find the entire, because this is a combination circuit, because we've got a parallel circuit, if part of the circuit, and we've got a series circuit. So what you're going to want to do is find the total resistance, right? So the total resistance will be 5, that's in series, but then you'll say plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 20 to the negative 1. Because then, of course, we can find what the R is for the total circuit. Now, remember, in a series circuit, the voltages are not consistent, but the current is. So I took some time, and I wanted to calculate what the current is through each branch. You can say V equals IR. So you'll want to know this number, and just hold that thought. Once you know that, what you can do is that, if the current through here is 10 amps, and if you knew what the current is through each of these branches, they would add up to 10. So I want to find what's the current here. Well, I know the resistance is 10 times I equals V, and you knew where the V is, which was the answer here, and it'll be the same number. So whatever you've calculated in that very first thing, you know this number here, right? So you solve for the current. We'll call that the current, or I sub 10, for the 10 ohm resistor. And you do the exact same thing over here, and that'll be the current through the 20 ohm resistor. And you're going to have a number here and a number here. And so the total current will be the sum of I10, I'm calling it, plus I20. But that current, the total current, is the current that's going to travel through. In a series circuit, the current is consistent. So if you know V equals IR, we're getting there, right? You know now when this total current right here, this will be equals I total times 5. And that will give you the voltage. And once you know the voltage, to get the power is still V squared over R. So once you know this voltage, this is the voltage, call this the V5 for the 5 ohm resistor, then you'll do whatever that number is divided by R, which is 5.